go. Let's see if I remember how to do this thing. Got my first order. This is Jack in the Box, $7 going less than 3 miles. Thank you. You too. Next up is a Starbucks. This one is $8 going 4.5 miles. Next up, we've got another Starbucks. This one's from a different store. $8 and some change going 4 miles. Thank you.
Yeah, it's just one bar. It's just one little drink.
Okay, thank you. Don't know if this place is open, but we're gonna head over to Taco Bell for a $9 order going 5 miles. Place your bets. Let's find out.
By the way, having played 150 shows there, he's played 60 more shows in Madison Square Garden.
I have it side for you. Have a good day.
Thank you, you too. Next up, we've got an IHOP. This one's gonna be $8 and some change, going 3.5 miles. The note says, "I'll add a tip." I just misclicked. Do we believe that? Guess we'll find out. Of course, it's upstairs. It's always upstairs. I just got my next order. This one is going to be for Jack in the Box. I believe it said $9 going 3 miles. Something like that. Thank you too. All right, just got my next order. This one looks like a stack going to the same person. I think I might have done the same stack before. It's gonna be for IHOP and Black Rock Coffee. This is $11 going 4 miles. I was just about to drive by it when I got this order. This is for Burger King, $7.75 going 3 miles. So it looks like the same customer is adding on a Black Rock Coffee order. Extra $5. It's on the way to their drop off anyway, so might as well. Easy money. Ooh, there's quite a bit of cars here. This might be a while.
Straws are in the bag.
Thank you.
Have a great day.
You too. Jeez. Oh my. Next order up, we've got a shop and deliver for PetSmart. This one is $10 and some change, going 4 miles, only 2 items. This? Oh, right here. Sorry. Guy almost took out my shins. That would have hurt. Next order up is a McDonald's. This one is $8 and some change, going 2 miles.
send one?
Huh?
Can you send one?
Yeah, I figured it's simpler that way.
Thank you so much.
That's all right. Here you go.
Thank you.
Yep.
I do not know why that took 10 minutes. It was a burger, 2 fries, and 2 drinks. But all right. Okay. It's starting to slow down a little bit, so I might just call it here. Today's shift was mainly to get back in the rhythm of things. I wasn't planning on working too long today, but I'm gonna try to make it up tomorrow and have a longer shift than usual. But anyways, current time is 11:05. Current total is 76, and I have 2 Uber tips yet to come in, so probably around 90. That's gonna be it for this video. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you in the next one. It's fresh.
Thank you, sir.
Yep.
Have a great day.
You too. I just had some lunch, and I don't think I said bye to you guys, so